Rolex watch. How can we make any money giving it away for free, Tony?
I don't know, the boss is crazy.
The boss is crazy.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, it's your captain speaking.
Time to start this unit again. Let's see if we get our money back. Nice. Looks like it might have been used once or twice. So today we're going to play Junk, Junk, Goose, and we're going to be looking for only good boxes. I'm not going to be filming each one of these individuals. Boom, there's junk. 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 Empty. Empty. Sewing can. It's going to be some heavy boxes. Junk. Kitchen. Almost cool. It's just stuff. Stuff. Jewelry making. 6 cents. A couple more pennies. Come on, riddled with gold on the bottom? No. All right, as we take this trip down the elevator, because we're on the 3rd floor, I'm going to introduce everybody working today. Hi, I'm Storage Auction Buyer. Hi, everybody, I'm Mike. This is your captain speaking. I am all out here alone doing this unit. That's why we're kind of in a rush mode. I have a plan with this. What I'm going to do is we'll be at the flea market, and I will be out there selling. So I'll make a full-on video, everything spread out, what we sold, how much money we made in just one load, and kind of show you both sides and everything spread out, because so far this unit to me seems like a lot of regular stuff, kitchen stuff, etc., etc. That's why I haven't been filming each box. I'm trying to keep it a little bit entertaining, but you'll have to stay tuned to find out how much we made on the first load.
So we got a little bit of jewelry. Let's take a look. Almost full. Butterflies, couch. Silver. Nothing too great now. Sterling silver heart. Sterling silver. Okay. I like sterling silver. We'll let our guy look at all this tomorrow. See if he's paying any better yet. $18 karat it says.
I don't think that's 18 karat. I think it's brass.
That's a lot of steel. Oh, I thought that was something. 925. 925. Looks like a lot of silver. Fossil. 925. All right.
Let's see, get a little close up here.
All right. Now that looks like gold. Those are nice right there. Here's another one. Ooh. Please be gold. I think it says 925. All right, so a little something to look after. It's one of the biggest pots I've seen in a while. It's full of pots. Nice.
This unit is heavy. A lot of regular kitchen stuff, clothes, just like miscellaneous, nothing. Gotta tie off and start tapering down. My trailer's gonna be way too heavy today.
Xbox. Just that. All right, that's something.
That's a load right there. That's what we'll be bringing out tomorrow. And we're done loaded with that unit for the now. I will definitely be selling that tomorrow. I will go through the boxes more intently. I will show you things that need to be shown in its entirety with what this load was worth. Mind you, I spent $1,600 on this storage unit. I've got back about 200 in gold, 210 in gold. And well, yeah, that's where we're at. So soon, tomorrow, at the end of this video, whatever. Now we're here the next morning. We are gonna unload this unit. Boom, I didn't get a chance to go through every box. I told y'all we're gonna go through them a little bit here. I'll show you it, and then we're gonna show you what we made in this first load before we go pick up the second load, which we'll do tomorrow. So we're going through stuff right off the bat.
You check it out.
Rolex, ladies and gentlemen, Rolex. We're gonna put this aside. We're gonna go through all the cool stuff at the end. And here we are here, Found Drugs. Here's how it goes right here. We are just sorting stuff. Look at Tony vigorously going through every little pocket, every little nook and cranny. Everywhere, sold the cabinet, people are digging through boxes. Michaela's sorting prices. Hey, let's let her go through the box before we get any further, please. Okay, now we're gonna see why I didn't want to go through each box individually. I'm gonna just go through real quick. You're gonna get a chance to see everything. It's just junk. Look at this. All junk everywhere. Now, when I say junk, I don't mean I'm throwing it away. What I mean is I'm out here selling it. I just threw it on the ground. We're gonna have a big dollar sale, and all this stuff will disappear. We have found some jewelry, so we'll go through that here shortly. We found a little bit of jewelry, maybe some gold, maybe some silver. Good sales so far before we get to that point where we say the O word and the F word. We got a sequence. This is how we do it. Can you tell the whole world you should be thankful that you got something to drink and you could be having nothing? Huh? Almost good shoes right here. Almost good shoes. They're coming apart in my hand. Stuff we found. We got a WE 360. You saw this already. You saw that. That's all the good stuff. The trailer is empty. Got some gold for the guy to go through, silver, etc., etc. He's all mad. He's like, don't take photos. We found this morning. Show you guys a little something. See if we find any gold, silver, and gems. That's what we do. This is not for sale yet, sir, until my guy looks at it.
Your guy?
Yeah, my guy right here. I gotta cut that open. There's something in there. You wanna cut it open? Who has my knife? I know there's a penny in there.
Yeah,
Oh, hell no.
oh shit. What is it?
What is it? Careful, because that could be somebody. Is that ashes? That ain't ashes, right?
It's ashes probably from somebody.
Is that ashes?
It looks like to me. I don't know if it's ashes.
Oh, that's creepy.
No,
Dang
it's
it.
a good one.
Yeah, but I don't even want it now because it might belong to the... Dang it. Oh, that is 14 karat right there. Check that baby out. To see this. Rolex watch.
Nothing for sale here.
No, not for sale yet.
It's got the emblem there. Nothing there and nothing on the back. Chances are we pop this off, it's gonna be a battery. And yep, ladies and gentlemen, we have found another Rolex. Which will someday give us a Rolex, maybe. Now that we have separated everything, we got costume here and he's got the gold and silver over here. All the costume sold for 40 bucks. Parts, etc., etc. It's getting gold, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. We are so technical here. So there's 328 got from the gold, but mind you, I sold this out of my own pile. So that was really got 228 in gold so far out of this unit again. Off of the, what we do last time, I think 210. Silver. We haven't had a chance to just go through silver. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I can't just go piece by piece. There's some cool pieces here, don't get me wrong. Silver, you see a price tag of 99 because the store inflates everything, and then you buy it and then you appreciate it and you wasted your money. Stop buying gold and silver at the store, I'm gonna say it. Anyway, nonetheless, 500 in gold and silver, not bad. Bills. Negotiated 45 on the sewing machine. We are making money, ladies and gentlemen. Look at him collect that money. He's gonna put it in his pocket in that big old messy wad he creates. Look at him, watch, he's gonna shove it in there. Yep, and he just does that. He keeps shoving. It's like when you go to work and you put the what do they call that when you make the notes?
Piggy bank.
No, not a piggy bank, but when you put all the notes and complaints in a box.
Oh yeah.
He does that, but it was with money. What's going on over here? Why he looks so sad and mad?
It's hot and I'm sick.
It's hot and I'm sick.
It's exactly how I sound.
Whatever you can get, Tony. $1 each. Look at all this stuff, ladies and gentlemen. All these people. Yeah. Crowd is thin down. Tony's over there trying to get 92 bucks for a puzzle that should sell for $1. And over here we got more customers. We're gonna have a dollar sale here. Waiting for the salt princesses. Charles, you want to say hi to the whole world?
What's up? Get it for $1.
Get it for $1.
Can't beat it.
Charles is always here for the dollar sale.
Yeah.
I think this dollar sale's gone.
Trash.
Yeah, I think that they shop so hard that we should just win right to free. $1. What do you think? How you doing there on sales so far?
Still low.
Still low. Hopefully Tony pulled through.
Yeah, I can't wait to count his.
I can't wait to count his, she says. She's excited to count your wad today, Tony.
I feel like having to organize it. It's kind of annoying.
No way. Why would we do that? How could we make any money giving it away for free, Tony?
I don't know. The boss is crazy.
The boss is crazy. Gratis, gratis. If you can kindly put it back in a box, it would be much appreciated. If you pick it up, just go in a box. There you go. We love you. Now for the fun part of the day, counting Tony's sales. Just put them right there. We got to count all of Tony's sales. This is Tony learned how to keep money and track back in what was it, 5th grade? And he just does this. He just pulls it out of his pocket. He's very meticulous how he works it. There's a 50 in there, he says. There it is. Found 50. Stuff is leaving by the cart full. We're done at the flea market. About to start loading our second load, and we did $1,052 after expenses. Tony, Michaela, George for the dumps, and the flea market entry. Not bad. Gotta love money, right?